Hey, and welcome to Alpha 1. For the second time today, we are going to run Alpha Master. It's a free binary option robot that you also can have complete for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, and you can download this robot and get started today. Also, in the end of the video, you will see the win rate and all this good stuff. Okay? Yeah, and you can download this robot below the video also. And as you can see, we are currently running a competition where you can win $50. The only thing you need to do to be a part of this competition is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, see the video from end to start, and make a comment below with your Bitcoin address or your USDT address, and just write something extra on it. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it, $157. We did take 7 trades. 5 of them were winners, so that is around 71% win rate. So if you want to download this robot also, just use the link you see up there right now. Just push this robot in, or you can just use the link you find below the video, and you can download this robot and get started today. So with that, have an amazing day.